Okay, well, I got my smoothie of a bunch of stuff. I don't know what it is. And a Death Trooper helmet. So after seeing Rogue One, I said, oh man, those Death Troopers are awesome. They're scary looking dudes, right? I mean, it's cool. They're all black, which is, it's awesome, right? They're super scary, and I thought, hey, I need to get that costume together. And I found that Jeffro had a great model out on Thingiverse. You can go download it, put the link down in the description, as well as a link to his full costume files that he's got over on cgtrader.com for not very much either. I think they're listed for about $30, so a great deal for really good looking files. But I was able to print this out in the 16 different pieces for the main helmet that were already pre-sliced in those files to fit on a smaller print bed. So that was really great, really helpful to print that many pieces. You know, it is what it is with that small print bed that I had. That said, I got a bigger printer, so I could print this all at once now if I want to, next time. But it actually turned out really well, with a lot of sanding, a lot of reassembling because I didn't get things straight at first with my CA glue that stuck instantly in the wrong place. You know, after a bit of work, this actually came together really nicely. Tons of sanding, tons of paintings, tons of sanding again. It came out pretty smooth. I am not a perfectionist guy, so there are some little dings and scratches and things like that, but that's okay because it's, you know, this dude's been in battle, right? And then I used the SparkFun spectacle system to put in the lights just because I had it on hand. I thought it'd be fun to change the colors of the lights maybe later. They're a lot more expensive than just using an LED and a battery and a resistor, but I had it on hand again, and you know, what the hell. And then I printed these little diffusers, which are just a really thin layer of filament, and covered them up, and it came out actually looking great. The film, I guess, that green film from trooperbay.com, that was like $20. I'll put a link in the description as well. It's exactly what I needed. And then just some padding on the inside, and there we go. The only other thing it needs is some fans, a voice changer, which I can use the same one as that Kylo Ren has, and it would be done. I'm not entirely sure I'm going to do that though, because I'm not actually sure I'm going to be wearing this. I would only wear this if I actually get the whole costume done, and I'm still not sure if I'm going to do the whole thing. But for a helmet, for a display piece, I mean, this thing's awesome, and I highly recommend doing it. So, thanks for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments. Also, I forgot to mention, Face ID does not work with this. If you're on Instagram, make sure to follow me. I'm Superhero DIY. That's where I post all the stories of like the work in progress, things like that, so you can actually see, you know, how this stuff is being made. So definitely get out there and get on Instagram. We? Yeah. Why did I say we?